What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today's video we're going to put to the test 10 home gadgets I found on Amazon. Let's see what I got this time. Here's a phone suction cup, there's different colors. Okay, gonna put it on my iPhone and look at all these suction cups. I would assume it has to be some kind of surface that is sticky. So pretty much anything has to be really smooth. Like a refrigerator, maybe kitchen cabinets, but obviously windows will work as well. Pretty awesome. And if you feel like you're done with it, wow, didn't leave much residue at all. Electric laundry detergent pump or dispenser. There's my laundry machines and there's a detergent, and we hold it this way and just right over it either way. But as you can see, it has a lot of spillage. As much as we try not to, it still has drips. Plug this in. Oh wow, this is gonna be more than enough tall. Even goes to the side a little bit. Oh, it's just a cork, so we don't even have to screw it. 45 ounces, this is so cool. And 75 ounces. This is the coolest thing I ever seen. This is definitely might be worth having. And just put it right here. I might keep it, check this out. This is so satisfying. Just say charge it. I wish it was battery operated, not rechargeable, in case I need to replace the batteries. It's much easier than waiting for it to recharge. This little gadget turns your square paper with the square corners into a round. Boom, now we have a round paper. So now you have a beautiful rounded corners for arts. Man, my kid's going to love that one. Here is a door stop with the security. Batteries, get my 9-volt. Nice, tight. And again, this is now regular door stop, metal, with this non-slip section like a rubber. And then we can do low sensitivity, high, medium, and then let's turn it on. And as soon as the door is open, it will turn it on. Most of the time people will panic. It's just like having a dog. Boom. And all we have to do is push that and it will silence. This right here, Touchup Pencils. How cool is that? So you use the same paint you used on the house. All we have to do is use the paint and fill it up and put it in here. And then this side here, it's like a pen that will push down, looks like. It's pushing out, therefore creating more vacuum and pushing all the paint forward. And this side here, paintbrush. How cool is that? So that when you push it, it will saturate with paint and you touch it up. This is a peel and stick, a dry erase board. I'm over here in the basement, so I could actually stick this anywhere and have, instead of these ugly walls, I could have dry erase board. How cool is that? This is such a good idea. I cannot wait to try. Oh man, it's going to work. And all I have to do is just peel and stick. Just like they're saying. What? Oh man, we're gonna have, let's see. I love it. Yeah, it doesn't stick super well here, but temporarily even, good idea, good option. I got it here, next level Japanese pencil sharpener, electric. There's 1, 2, and 3, and what does they do? It's the sharpness of the pencil. So right now it's broken all the way, and it will eat your pencil. You can hold it as long as you want. It will stop it. And you see how it's not very sharp. And if you look at it, it's not very sharp. It has like flat on it. And now we're going to do it on a medium sharpness. And it tells us when to stop. And it's a pretty much, and that's a medium sharpness, pretty good. And sharpest. And like I said, it will not eat the pencil. I can hold it as long as I want to, it stops it. but it will make it really sharp. How cool is that? Oh man, another little bag carrier hook. Let's see what it's all about. Okay, there's actual clip. Oh man, how does this work? Oh, okay, all we do is twist it. Let me cut this off. The gadget for that by itself. Well, scissors are good. So you can load it up with grocery bags and lock it up, and you can carry it. It's pretty nice, and it could be plastic bags or any kind of bags. And it could be plastic bags, paint cans. Good idea. So that's quite usable. Got right here, clip and carry. This is totally new. Load up with maybe put 2 paint buckets and lock it in, or bunch of different bags, plastic bags, regular grocery bags, and boom. And then you can carry it very comfortably. Let's try it out. I mean, I don't know, I kind of like it, especially you can put it over your shoulder and boom, really stand out over there. And you have 2 of them, nice, especially if you're going up 3rd floor in one of those apartments or in a city. That kind of makes sense. That's a good idea. I live out here or very close by. Don't probably never use it, but it can hold a lot of items. And look at that. You can grab it and it's very comfortable. I like it. Carry it over. I have discovered something new. Electric window cleaner. Can you believe it? Wow, that's a lot of... looks like a steamer, except it is made for window cleaning. There's a soap bottle solution. Okay, let's see. Soap it up. That's nice. And then we could really use it to brush it out and clean it really good. Wow, that's cool so far. Maybe more liquid would be nice. But yeah, there you go. Makes sense, right? Really clean it good. Okay. And now, let's start the squeegee. Oh wow, look at that, no drips. It's like shading almost. That's hilarious. Oh yeah, I'm keeping it, especially with my big windows out here. Don't have to worry about water going anywhere. And all the moisture and water will be in here. That is hilarious. This is so cool. So it just picks up, so it just sucks in all of the moisture in here. The spray bottle is really powerful too. Soap it up. I like how it's all together. Boom. Maybe I'll get a better angle out here. Look at that. Oh, I see a stick, but I don't get it next time. Too much soap. Makes sense though, right? That is so awesome. Cleaning it super good. What do you guys think? Is this the future? I like it. Very nice. There's any... I probably just need a better soap solution because I'm using regular soap, but this is a good idea. I like it. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below which gadget totally useful you're never going to use and which one is the best. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.